What's the meaning of almshouse? Almshouse. 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 Almshouse.
An almshouse is a type of charitable housing in England, Scotland, and other countries. Originally, almshouses were established as a form of support for poor, elderly, or disabled people who could not afford to pay for their own accommodation. Today, almshouses generally provide low-cost apartments for people of limited means, often with some additional support services. They are typically run by charities or religious organizations and are intended to provide affordable, secure, and comfortable housing for those in need. Almshouses remain an important part of the social safety net in many parts of the world.